Hey folks, this is Karina Daninger with Keller Williams. I'm coming to you live today from 1140 Martha Lee Drive in Rockledge. And this is our first listing to hit the market for 2019. But I have to talk to you about something really cool that I have going on. I'm in a little bit of a contest and I need your help. I am going after 100 listings this year. So if you know of anybody buying or selling, thinking about buying or selling, please pass them my way. I need to win this contest. Okay, because if you know me, I'm completely and totally competitive and I do not like to lose. So 100 listings. So we're going to count down every listing that I do. You'll know what number I'm on throughout the year. So you can cheer me on or help me out or whatever. Anyways, I have an adorable house that I am listing here in Rockledge, and I can't wait to show it to you. So let's talk about it. Where I'm at, I'm very close to 95 Lowe's. For you northerners out there, if you hear that in the background, you hear it? It's called a lawnmower in January. And that's right, not a snowblower, but a lawnmower. So if you hear the lawnmower, the neighbor's doing a great job keeping up with his backyard, and I can't wait to show you. So let me just flip this for you. Okay, this street right here is super cute. A lot of pride of ownership. This house across the street's adorable. There's a great little walkway, nice fresh mulch. Very sweet, freshly painted front porch. I was actually sitting here talking to you a minute ago. That door there goes to the garage. All new windows throughout the house, and the back sliding glass door is new. You have a very sweet screen door, so you could have the screen door open and let the air come through when you're hanging out inside. You're first greeted by tile floor throughout. This nice room would be your living room. Over to the left, you have a cute little eat-in kitchen nook. Nice pantries, beautiful cabinetry, great countertops. All the appliances in here are brand new. Gas cooktop. You have a nice deep sink, a beautiful window looking out back to a picturesque backyard. There's your dishwasher. This house is equipped with a laundry room with a door and lots of great cabinet space. You're going to find that there's a lot of good cabinets going on and storage in this house. This door here goes out to the garage, but we're not going to look at that today. Let's keep on trucking because I have a lot to show you in a short period of time. Nice new lighting throughout. If we go past the front door, we're going to walk on through. You can hear my heels. We have storage closet here. Bedroom number 1 is here. Has a nice ceiling fan, beautiful tile floors, freshly painted, new windows and new blinds. And you have a double door there. Let me just fix something real quick. So if my phone rings, you'll hear my ringtone. All right, there we go. So as we slide on through, we're going to come up to bedroom number 2. More nice tile floors, same as the last one, just a different color paint. This one has a built-in bookshelf, which is very nice. If you don't want it, you can pull it out and drywall it. But nice lighting in there. And then here is the full bath. It's very cute in here. Nice, good ceiling size. You have the tub that you don't ever have to scrub the grout, which I love. A higher toilet and a new vanity. And the wood tile flooring. And another closet for storage. Then as we walk on back, we're going to come back here and we're going to step down into the family room, which is greets you with the nice brand new sliding glass door, double pane insulated, nice windows. This room is actually a decent size, so you could have 2 rooms set up with no problem. This will be bedroom number 3. Back of the house, so it's kind of split floor plan, sort of. Again, another ceiling fan. This room's very large. You put some big furniture in here. And then we go on out back. And when we go out back, this backyard is awesome. So let me show you. Okay, here we are. This back patio was just recently painted. You can see the afternoon sun starting to come in. The fountain can stay or go depending on what the owners would like, the new buyers would like. Fenced in backyard, no one's going to move in right behind you. You have a nice little water ravine back there to catch any extra rain that might come through. And it is all fenced in. So if you have dogs or kids or just want that privacy, fences make great neighbors. This is great. And as you can see, the house is just absolutely adorable. So 3-bedroom, 1-bath, 1-car garage, coming on the market literally in the next couple hours. So if you have anybody looking to buy or sell in this area, particularly this listing, you can find it. I'll post it on the bottom of this video later today. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. This is Karina Danager with Keller Williams. Bye-bye.